Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a moment to check out this video. Just 4 steps to making money online, and I've got something exciting that I want to share with you, okay? So stay with me for the next couple of minutes and we'll get into it. Okay, as you can see, it says most people overcomplicate making money online, but there are really just 4 simple steps that consistently produce real results, okay? And I'm introducing this incredible marketing system, and I've been using it for years, okay? About 8 years. Okay? It's an all-in-one, low-cost marketing suite for everyday affiliate marketers and other online entrepreneurs, okay? So we've got the tools, we've got the training and support to build your online business. The tools that you need to build your online business, we have them for you, okay? So I'm going to leave a link in the description area of this video, and grab that link and then watch the video on the page. It's a short video. Watch it, check it out, because it's going to talk about the 4 simple steps to making money online. Also, I've got one other thing I want to share with you, and we're going to close this video out, okay? Okay, now, Profit Pals Pro is another incredible opportunity you should take a look at. At least take a look at it, okay? It's about simple steps that create momentum. For $50 one time out of pocket, all right, that's $50 one time out of pocket, a small admin fee, okay, you gain access to a complete formula package with a $5,000 value, plus bonus downloads and action-based guidance. Now, obviously, we can make no guarantees of income, and we make no income claims, but this is a real opportunity, and all you need is effort. Just share it with people like I'm sharing with you today, okay? And here's the thing. Many people love how easy this program is and how easy it is to get started, and love the system, okay? So I'm going to leave a link also to the Profit Pals Pro, so you can take a look at that, okay? So if you're ready to take a step instead of standing still, check out Profit Pals Pro today, and check out that marketing suite. Man, you want to make money online? We've got what you're looking for, okay? And the other thing I'll add before I close this video is that with Profit Pals Pro, you're able to make multiple $50, okay? Daily, weekly, monthly, however you want to do it, okay? So there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.